Choosing a local AI model is a lot like hiring someone for a job. You wouldn't hire an accountant to design your website, and you wouldn't hire a graphic designer to manage your finances. AI models work the same way. Different models are good at different things. For example, if you're a programmer, today many developers choose Qwen because it's one of the strongest all-around open models for coding, reasoning, and understanding large code bases. If your computer has less memory, a smaller Gemma model is often a better choice because it's fast, efficient, and can run well on more modest hardware. If your work involves complex reasoning, many people turn to DeepSeek, which has earned a reputation for strong logical reasoning and analytical tasks. And if you're just getting started, Llama remains one of the easiest ecosystems to learn because of its huge community, documentation, and broad software support. Notice something interesting? I didn't tell you which one is the best, because that's the wrong question. The right question is, what job do I want my AI to do? Once you answer that, choosing a model becomes much easier, and the same idea applies to the software that runs these models. Most people only need two names, Ollama and LM Studio. Think of them as the operating systems for your local AI. They download models, run them on your computer, and let other applications talk to them as if they were cloud AI services. So today, building your own AI doesn't require a data center. In many cases, it requires downloading the right model, installing the right software, and giving that AI a clear responsibility. But that leads to an even bigger question. If I can run all of these models on my own computer, why would I ever use cloud AI again? The answer is, you shouldn't stop using it. And I think this is where a lot of people get local AI completely wrong. The future isn't cloud AI or local AI. The future is knowing which one should do which job. Think about it this way. If I ask an AI to analyze my company's financial records, my customer database, my source code, or confidential legal documents, why should I upload all of that to the cloud if my own computer can do the job? But if I'm doing deep research, comparing hundreds of recent articles, or asking questions about today's news, the cloud still has a huge advantage. So here's the mindset I want you to remember. Keep your knowledge local. Borrow intelligence only when you need it. That's how many developers and businesses are now designing AI systems. Local AI becomes the worker that understands your business. Cloud AI becomes the specialist you call when the job is too big or requires up-to-date knowledge. And once you start thinking this way, something even bigger becomes possible. Because if your computer already understands your files, your projects, your customers, and your business, why should you have to tell it what to do every single morning?